welcome back to the Next Billionaire Special 2024, and thank you so much for tuning in to the show. Igama nguSinengwa Kanene, also known as Auntie Wama 2000, and angihambi ngedwa njengamanje. I have with me the Next Billionaire Award winner for 2022 under the category of Businessman of the Year. His name is Sean Makhanya, and just like that, sekuvele kwakhanya.
Wow, thank you.
Uyaphila?
Ngiyaphila njani sisi?
Right. Ngiyeza futhi kuthiwa wena umuntu ochila nathi be-event, so ngifuna ukuthi ngitshele umbukeli ukuthi chila nathi and stay glued to your screens.
Yes, ngindoda enamagepisi amaningi.
But you're not wearing a hat right now.
Invisible hats. Yes,
Okay.
Chila Nathi, I'm a co-founder.
Co-founder. We'll
Yes.
get into that a bit later. For now, I want us to start with your business, Kwaxola Caves. So the year you won your award of 2022, you were not present to receive the award stage, which is okay. I'm hoping ukuthi kulo nyaka sokubona ukhona usivakashelile nesuit yakhe ebovu, the famous red suit. But I just want to ask, ukuthi, how did it feel win the award, even though you were not there to actually physically receive the award, but how did winning make you feel, and what impact would you say it has had on your business ever since?
Okay, no, sibonge sibingelele kubabukeli emakhaya. And humble apologies to my voters for not coming through on the biggest day. Umuntu was out of the province, and thanks to Deputy Mayor who received my award on my behalf. Yes. And coming back to your question, ever since Winile, firstly, I would like to mention this, that when we started our business, there were a lot of challenges, especially with the tourism industry. In 22, we're still recovering. Yes, we're still recovering, but it's a bit better. But 2022 was worse because we're coming from COVID, coming from all sort of things. But winning the award, firstly, it boosts our confidence to say whatever that we're doing, yes, we're doing. Someone is recognizing us, and someone is appreciating our existence in the Israel. So it sort of improves our confidence. It sort of boosted our image. It's also boosted our page, because remember, from winning the awards, that's where we started to get our followers. As we speak, we're on 15K followers. So that's why I started to spike up. And also, that's why we got a lot of marketing mileage as well, because Umlando Siyawazi, which is on news, on TV, on papers. And we started to get international tourists coming in and inquiring about Kwaxola Caves. So it's been good. We've enjoyed it. We're still enjoying the benefits, because it's boosted our profile as well, to say whenever we pitch, to whoever we pitch, we do mention that we won in 2022.
Congratulations on the win. Congratulations on the followers. Now, you spoke about boosting tourism altogether. I am proud to let you know that we're coming back to Kwaxola Caves. Well, I'll be there for the first time after AMA Awards. So Varashela. So hopefully we'll do the boosting again times 5.
Wow, thank you so much.
Did winning the award change anything in the business, in the sense of, I know sometimes people win the award and now because they've added an accolade, they change. AMA prices are, the business elevates, they start renovating things. Did you do anything after you win?
When we won the awards, the confidence, Kupuga, and then we started to send proposals elsewhere, and you're sending them not just a name and whatever you do, but you're sending award-winning plus recognition. So, and then we also got some sponsors. We got some private funding that we built a suspension bridge, and we've built a zipline. Zipline is still on construction. And ultimately, a bit late, we got funding to build a restaurant. We are currently building a restaurant.
You stay building all the time.
Yes, we're in the building process.
You're doing so well.
Yes.
I'm aware that your business was visited by uMameya waLaire Nkonye municipality ehamba neteam by MEC Tourism, MEC Wawa Tourism. So babezo kwakuyi official handover.
When you open in 2020, with 3 months of operating, I'm saying 3 months, but there were those close-up icon. The then MEC Umam Nomsa Dube was still the MEC. It was the 12th of September. I'll never forget that day. So she came and visited us, and she was not alone. She was Mayor Umqwebu, There was also the late Mayor Umpemba Untulu waka Transport. So babefikile, but the main visit of Mayor, even now, Umama Figile or Chief ubekhona, and also ubekhona no honorable way to Umama Mayor uZP Mzindli. It's not actually the handover, we saw turning. Ukuthi it's so turning that now we're building a restaurant. I'm in the building process. From here, we need to build the mashales. From here, we need to build the wedding venue.
So part of the things you've built is the Chila Nathi, the event I said we'd get back to. Please talk to us about that. Is it in any way tied to KwaXola Caves, or that's something on the side that you're doing because you're a man of many hats? So how have you built that? What's happening on the events? When is the event? Like what? Please take us through.
Okay, Chila Nathi, it's a separate business altogether. We piloted it in PMP 7 years ago, and we've done it in Durban. We also tried it in Richards Bay. Then I said, when it didn't go well in Richards Bay, I said, no man, let me take it back home. So then Sayibusela Ekaya, but I'm very passionate about mentoring and coaching also my business with the little experience that I have. So we give space and exposure to SMMEs, if you've got a product, for instance, skin product, and you do not have a market, we give you what is called the profiling. Profiling, it means a page in late to now. We've got over 20K plus followers. Instagram as well, over 10K. We advertise on your behalf and also put a link and all your social media so that you can interact with our clients. But also what is most important is the space and exposure we give you during the event, for which you can make sales and create leads. So the Chila Nathi Festival is going to be on the 30th at St. Michael's in November. Yes, Konala, and we are much ready. A lot of SMMEs are coming through, a lot of inquiries as a Kalile. Ayasondela because sekulate manje. I-line-up yethu nathi because we've got a line-up of music esinayo, all local DJs bakhona nabo. Sesiqalile nje sayidedela. Yes.
So how do we find you on social media, and how do we network with you? Manje angikho sure noma uzodrop ama-links akho noma weChila Nathi noma weKwaXola Caves. You are so busy, I don't even know which njengoba ngikubuza le question uzophendula on behalf of which business that you've built. But how do we get in touch with you?
Okay, with the KwaXola Caves, you can find us on Facebook as well as Instagram and TikTok. KwaXola Caves Adventures. And uyakwazi nokusifonela. Normally ama-post wethu, we've got that button laphana ukuthi WhatsApp. So by pressing it, it just comes straight to us, and then you can ask them a question. The number is 074 8873 742. That's the number to la yona. Chila Nathi is Chila Nathi Cookout Experience on Instagram, TikTok, and Facebook.
Details ukuthi siwathola kanjani ama-tickets.
Details and even links ukuthi ama-tickets siwathola kuphi. You can just press and then it takes you straight to web ticket. But we do get ama-tickets even go Pick n Pay nago Boxer.
Thank you so much, Sean. It's been an absolute pleasure chatting to you. And I think now Mr. Kone is thinking pick up implementer on myself. So for me, this was also a learning experience. Thank you. Now for the much anticipated question.
This year confirmed, yes.
Okay, Sean Makhanya, we're Red Suits, the builder. Are you the next billionaire?
Absolutely, definitely. I'm closer to being a billionaire now.
Without a doubt.
Yeah.
Thank you so much. Mbukeli Chila Nathi Ungayindawo. I'm about to bring you the last billionaire for the day. Stick around to find out who that is. You're watching the TNP Special 2024 with your girl, Usinene, also known as Adama 2000.